Now show me how you do it with the pillow. Show me the pillow.
This time I'm gonna do it a different way.
Okay.
This time I'm gonna do it the pillow way sideways.
Okay. You made him laugh. Now try to make him laugh again with the pillow.
This time I'm gonna do it roughly. Dad, push you, Andy? Okay, it's so funny that he took out his pacifier. Maybe you want your brother?
Now Charlie, give Andy a kiss. Give Andy a kiss.
Good baby.
Can you put your head next to Andy's head?
Yeah.
Like that. Oh, good job. Now look at the camera. Cheese!